Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today is another vlog. I'm so excited to be back vlogging. I feel like I took like a little bit of a break for a week and I'm excited to be back vlogging with you guys. Actually, I think it was 2 weeks. I had the flu for a week and that was absolutely miserable. It was not the C word. It was not what you think, but it was really bad. I was like on my deathbed for a week. And then right after that, I was in Florida for 4 days, shooting a campaign for a sneaker and streetwear store that's owned by one of my friends. So that was really fun, but again, exhausting. And now I'm back, and the last few days, I've kind of been in a funk. I don't know, I've been like, even Frankie's noticed that I've been like a little bit sad. And I think it's mainly because I've been so thrown off my routine because I don't have a routine anymore. I'm making so many changes and adjustments in my daily routine lately that like I feel like it's hard because my life is constantly traveling and constantly picking up and changing plans, and it's constantly moving and changing all the time, that I don't have a routine that I stick to, and I'm not at all disciplined with myself in that sense. And it's not like a discipline like you need to do this because, you know, if you don't do this your body's gonna change or something silly like that. It's more like for my mental health to like, I stopped journaling, for example. Like I would do it so inconsistently, like a couple times a week, whereas I used to start every morning with my 5-minute journal. I've stopped reading my book before bed. I've stopped going to the gym first thing in the morning. Even if it's literally like yesterday, I just went to the gym to walk on the treadmill in the morning. Like I did a 35-minute walk and then I drove home. It's the routine aspect that I think is so helpful to people. And like doing your skincare and all of that, like it's that routine of like coming home, getting in a shower, taking a nice shower, doing your skincare afterwards, and making a nice breakfast, or like ice rolling your face, something that can just like make you feel put together, even if it's something so simple as like writing in a 5-minute journal. So like today we're getting back at it. We have a kind of a busy day. I have a casting that's an hour away, so I have to get there. I'm gonna aim to leave at 10:30 so I can get there at 11:30. I'm gonna go to my casting, then I'm gonna go straight from my casting to my acupuncture appointment, which I see an acupuncture and like hormone specialist for my hormones, just to make sure everything's running smoothly. He's wonderful. His name is Dr. Choi. He's the best. And then after that, I have to shoot something quick back home, and then I'm going to be joining my friends Mariana and Najazi, who you've seen on the channel, and Sarah. But first I'm going to join Mariana and Najazi at Najazi's place, and then they both live in the same area, so we're all going to do a girls' night at our friend Sarah's house. So yeah, we have a lot of things planned. I did want to get in a quick workout this morning. Again, nothing crazy, just something to kind of make me feel like I'm back in my routine. I don't have a ton of time today. It's already 7:48. My real gym, Frankie just drove all the way to the real gym, which is like 25 minutes away, and it's closed for maintenance. So I'm so glad that I woke up later than him, and sorry Frank, and I didn't end up like, because we take separate cars because he drives, or he works out for way longer than I do. And I was gonna go after him, and I'm so glad that he came back before I had left, because I wouldn't have even known. He probably wouldn't have known that I left, and I wouldn't have known the gym was closed. So anyways, long story short, our real gym is closed. So I can only go to the downstairs gym anyways today, because like our apartment gym, because I don't have much time. I'm rambling, blah, blah, blah. I also need to wash my bedding today, like all of my sheets, my duvet cover, all of that. So yeah, that's what we got planned today. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it's gonna take all day. By the time I work out, shower, have breakfast, drive an hour to my casting, go to my casting, drive an hour back to my acupuncture, go to my acupuncture, drive 30 minutes back home, walk the dog, shoot the content that I need to shoot here, and then drive another 40 minutes to downtown, spend time with my friends, and then drive back home. It's gonna be 9 p.m. So we've got a big day, but I think this kind of busy day vibe is exactly what I need to maybe get out of a funk and realize that you can still do your normal morning routine and like daily habits that make you feel good, even while your life all of a sudden is, your daily routine is changing. Like I just got this casting yesterday. I had a completely different plan for the day. Same thing with the girls' night. I did not know I was doing this until yesterday. And we were supposed to meet later and go to dinner, and now we're meeting earlier and spending time by the pool at a Jazzy's. So everything's changing constantly, and that's life. And I think the most important thing is to be able to enjoy life and not stress and roll with the punches. But also, especially with my job where I'm so grateful and so lucky to be able to have that kind of freedom, but also reminding yourself of the little things that you need to do every day in order to feel kind of more at peace and like you have your crap together, as opposed to feeling like your life is a constant whirlwind, which is quite literally what I feel. I always feel like I'm quote unquote getting back on track with my routine, and I mean that more in like I have no semblance of like a daily routine, like a time that I wake up, like things that I do first thing in the morning, even a gym routine. It was so tough because I was doing all of these classes or like working out with a trainer or like working out always on someone else's schedule, or like my workouts would get canceled because of my work. Like I would book a shoot and it would just be so tough. And now I'm like, okay, first thing in the morning, do some kind of movement, any movement that you want. Pick whatever you want first thing in the morning, unless I'm really not feeling up to it. Like if I'm feeling like really sick or like super tired from the night before, then screw it. But if I'm feeling okay and it's not a bad idea to work out, first thing in the morning, even if it's just a 30-minute walk, any kind of movement works. So I'm sticking to that. That's my little routine. I'm really feeling good about it. I'm like excited to go to the gym. I'm excited to exercise in the morning. So it's feeling really good. Anyways, I have now rambled on for 7 minutes, and so this vlog is going to be hella long, but that's what we're up to today. Also, this is an ice roller from Skin Gym. I wanted the Skinny Confidential one, but it was like $85, and this one was 20 bucks on Amazon, so I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. It's really, really nice. Honestly, ice rollers are all the same. Like you literally just put it in the freezer and it depuffs your face in the morning. It just feels good. I don't even know if it works, but it just feels really nice. Like it's something I feel like really nice and refreshing. Again, a nice thing to add into your morning routine. I'll probably do this before the gym because I like to gua sha when I have my skincare on. I'm not gonna put skincare on before the gym. So anyways, also have this cute little pajama set on right now. I feel very put together when I have matching pajamas. I only sleep in nightgowns and matching pajama sets, and that's my toxic trait, and it is what it is. Anyways, I also made a cup. Frankie's back there working from home. I also made a cup of coffee. This is a really cute Christmas mug. It has my dog on it. Morgana got it for me for Christmas. It's just a very nice cup to drink out of. But I made some coffee with this glazed donut creamer that Frankie bought, and it tastes amazing. And I felt like, okay, this is a nice little like morning treat, something sweet and delicious to have before a nice little workout while I'm ice rolling my face. Another tip I have for you guys is, like, before I get going with my day, put the things that you want to do in plain sight. It's something that I read in the Atomic Habits book, but like if you want to journal every day, I always tell Frankie, don't put my journal underneath the coffee table. Leave it out on top of the coffee table. Like, yeah, it's not the most beautiful decor, but that way I always remember to do it. Like first thing in the morning, I see it, it's in my mind, I'm like, okay, gotta do it. You know, make it easy for yourself. Like if there's a habit that you know makes you feel good, make it easy. If you know you want to exercise in the morning, put your workout clothes out the night before if you feel like it's gonna make you feel better. If you know you want to get yourself motivated to have a productive morning, buy a yummy coffee creamer that you know is going to make you excited to wake up in the morning and have your cup of joe and get going with your day. I know it sounds silly, but it's all little things that you can do. Like if you're not just naturally a super highly motivated person in every single way, like me, where I just, you know, I get comfy, I get cozy, I get a little lazy sometimes. This is like, I feel like a really surefire way to get yourself up and at 'em in the morning. Anyways, I've used about every cliche phrase that you could possibly use at this point. Cup of joe, surefire, up and at 'em. Anyways, I'm done. I need to go. I'm gonna chill and enjoy my coffee for like the next 20-ish minutes, do some journaling, And then I'm gonna get changed and head downstairs for a quick workout, like 40-ish minutes maybe. We're gonna do some legs, and there's not much, it's minimal equipment. There's really not much downstairs. I might just do like a little 10-minute warm up and then like 30 minutes of like some little lightweight leg exercises. But honestly, I see the most results doing that, and it's not hard on my body. I'm really trying to be gentle with myself lately and listen to my body and do what feels good. So yeah, this is literally a 10-minute intro clip, so I'm so sorry, but let's get on with the day. Here's my little workout outfit of the day. It's my mom's bra from the 90s, and these shorts are from Story. Okay guys, I just worked out, took a really nice like full everything body shower, washed my hair. Now I'm just about to do my skincare, and oh my god, I'm like dropping things. Just about to do my skincare, put lotion on, start getting ready for my casting. I'm gonna make breakfast too because I'm pretty hungry after that workout. So I just made a little piece of avocado toast. The avocado toast is like way under there, but it's a big egg on top. Can't wait to eat this. I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm in my little cozy outfit now, and I'm just about to... Do you guys feel like when you can't hear something that it's not like, you don't have all your senses? Like, you know when you're reversing in your car or like trying to get into a tight parking spot but the music's on, you have to like turn it down? I don't know why. I feel like, is that a thing? Anyways, I'm gonna eat my avocado toast and then I'm gonna get ready. Luckily for castings, it's really light makeup. My main priority is just to get my hair looking normal. But yeah. Okay guys, here's my outfit. I didn't really do my hair. I just like got out of the shower and let it air dry, so it looks kind of messy, but I feel like it's fine. I'm just wearing this little top. This is from Verge Girl. These pants are from Free People. The shoes are J. Crew. And I'm gonna bring my little tote from Brandy Melville. Okay guys, so I was just driving for an hour. I just got to my casting. I am gonna head in right now. It's 11:16. So hopefully this goes by quick so I can get on the road. I think I want to get like another coffee or a matcha on the way to my acupuncture appointment because I know it's gonna take me an hour to get there as well. So I'm gonna head in and let you guys know how it goes. Okay guys, so just got out of my casting. I got Starbucks and I also stopped in Walgreens. I got some allergy medicine and I also got some of these skinny dipped chocolate covered almonds because I kind of wanted a snack. It's like 12 o'clock and I want to have lunch at home because we just bought so many groceries at Costco and Trader Joe's, but I am nibbly right now, so, and I have like a 30 to 40 minute drive, so I'm gonna have these, get my coffee and some water, and I'm gonna go to my acupuncture appointment. Hey you guys, so I'm back home. I'm just walking with a little boy. Acupuncture is always like my favorite way to kind of get out of a funk, or like if I'm just not feeling my best. I feel like it helps with my anxiety so much. And my herbal medicine specialist, my acupuncture therapist, he also gives me herbal medicine that I take that helps with my hormones, and it helps just with my bodily functions and all of that. I don't know what all exactly it does, but I think it helps. I trust him like literally with my life. So every time I go, I automatically feel so much better. And then just being in nature, although my allergies are killing me, I swear to God, it's like this every single time I leave the state of California. I come back during the springtime, or if we have a heat wave, and my allergies flare up like crazy. I've already taken Zyrtec, and the over-the-counter one just doesn't really do much. Like, have you guys found that it's kind of shitty? Like, I feel like it doesn't really do much. So aside from my allergies, I'm feeling 10 out of 10. It's extremely hot today in LA. It's almost 80 degrees, and like, if you're familiar with California, it's very dry heat, so it's very hot. Getting very much desert vibes today. But we're gonna go have a little pool day. I packed a bag, it's already with me. I'm just walking the dog so he can get some exercise. And we're gonna have a little pool day at a Jazzy's like I mentioned before. That's another thing I always like to do whenever I'm kind of feeling like a little bit down in the dumps. I feel like having like quality, wholesome girl time with your friends and just like chatting, being out in nature, being in the sun. Although downtown LA isn't exactly nature, it's still like the pool, we're gonna be in the sun. All of that like always makes me feel happy. And I'm the kind of person that can definitely self-isolate if I get super like grumpy and kind of just in a depressed mood. And I feel like it's really easy for me to just say no to plans and coop myself up and not want to like really see people. And I feel like forcing myself to step out of that and interact with my friends and allow people to like let people in and allow them to be there for me and all of that has really helped me. And again, it makes you feel like all warm and fuzzy inside after you have a really nice day with your friends, being out in the sun, doing what you love. My dog's literally wrapping me in his leash. Doing what you love and just like having a nice day. Then later on I think we're gonna do like a dinner, or at least just like order food in and hang out at Sarah's new place for like a little housewarming for her. She just got a cool new loft in LA. So super excited for that. I think it's gonna be a really nice evening, and I'm glad I was able to like see my dog, let him out. Frankie's gonna come home and take care of him this evening, so I don't have any anxiety about that, because I often also say no to plans because I'm a dog mom and I literally can't just leave my little boy hanging. Come on, little boy. So yeah, I'm really excited. I will catch up with you guys when we get to Mariana's. I think we're just gonna carpool down there because parking downtown sucks. So we're just gonna have her boyfriend drop us off and then probably Uber back. But yeah. I'm like, you know what, whatever. We're gonna have to insert a little iPhone clip. We're with our little wrinkles. We're at the little wrinkles place. Just got stuck in the elevator. So we just got stuck in the elevator, but it's fine. We're gonna eat our sweet green.
We're just not gonna talk about it. Oh my god, that was terrifying.
That was so insane.
For a whole like 3 minutes.
I know.
That was the longest 3 minutes.
Oxygen. Yeah. Same. It's not your fault. I'm mad at you.
This never happened before. No, this never happened before. I like feel too sick.
I don't. I'm fucking starving. Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. I wanted to wrap up the vlog. Oh my god, I just tried this lotion. It's not an ad. I bought this yesterday at Walgreens. If you guys remember, I went into Walgreens before my acupuncture appointment. This is the Nivea coconut and I don't know what Monoi oil is. This is amazing. It smells like sunscreen. This literally smells like summer in a bottle. If you like the smell of sunscreen or suntan lotion, this smells insane. Also, how cute is this workout sports bra? I wore it yesterday, but I didn't really sweat that much. It's my mom's from the 90s. I'm obsessed with it, so I'm wearing it again. Is that gross? Should I not be posting that on the internet? That I didn't wash my sports bra? I swear to God, it was not sweaty. Like, it was fine. Whatever. Either way, who cares? It's my life. But this shit, I just tried this for the first time. It smells amazing. It literally smells like sunscreen in a bottle. Frank, are you dressed? No, he's literally naked in the hallway. Anyways, last night was awesome. It was so nice to like have a little girls' day, lay by the pool, get sweet green, like chill. We literally didn't even end up watching a movie. We just talked the entire night and it was so nice. I woke up and my nose still sounds a little bit stuffy, but I'm feeling so much better already. And I feel like I'm slowly but surely getting out of my funk. I'm feeling really like happy and rejuvenated and like ready to take on the rest of the week, even though it's literally Thursday, but still. I just got ready for the gym. I'm going to quickly brush my teeth and put some earrings in, I don't know why it's just bothering me that I only have my second hole in. I don't need earrings for the gym, but it's literally just like a me thing. And then I'm gonna head out, but I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me, and subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.